Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down. This is our Remembrance Special. This is my early Mark II Spitfire from the Savex kit, and it's finished in the colours of Jeff Wellham DFC. This is an extract from his book First Light, during the Battle of Britain where he was bounced by a Messerschmitt 109. A flash, bright like magnesium, and a sharp, very loud explosion. Something red streaks past the cockpit from somewhere astern. Very distinctly, I hear the hiss as it goes past. I can even smell something. Cordite. Phosphorus. More explosions behind me. A frightening noise I can't place as more tracers go tearing past. It's only a fraction of a second before it registers, but even then that delay is too long. I've been hit. I've behaved like a beginner. Bounced from behind. My own fault. Shouldn't have relaxed after I'd finished with that bloody Heinkel. Elementary rule number 1. Never relax vigilance. I asked for it and got it. Caught napping. Well and truly bounced. So this is how a fighter pilot dies. These thoughts go through my mind like a flash of lightning. Summing up the situation, I instinctively duck and at the same time yank the Spitfire round in the tightest and roughest turn ever. It's the sort of thing you do without thinking, when you have that frightened realisation that you could well be about to die and must fly and fight for your life. Looking back over my shoulder, an ME 109 is sitting on my tail, not 30 yards away, or so it seems, and turning with me. I see the flash from his cannons and puffs of grey smoke as he tries a quick burst. Not a bad one either, as I hear more hits somewhere behind down the fuselage. A feeling of hopelessness and despair threatens to swamp me, and I hear myself say, strangely enough, in a normal voice, "Oh God, I'm going to be killed." This is our Lancaster bomber that we built from the Tony Nyhouse plan. It's in the colours of Gwen's grandfather, Eric Dixon, who was shot down in this aircraft and, along with all the crew, survived the war. We will commemorate all those souls lost in conflicts around the world by dropping some poppies from this aircraft.